This bite-sized video just sees me having a quick walk up to the co-op, and then we're going up the Chet, heading for St Olaves, St Ives, St Mary's, whatever Clet likes to call it. And it was one of those, it could have either been far too short a video with me just talking, or far too long with the full journey down to St Olaves. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Ooh. Well, that was the day, weren't it? What day is it now? Tuesday. Well, it's in October, I know that. So it'd be what, the 23rd, 24th, 26th or something? 20? No, I went, it doesn't matter, does it? Yesterday was the day. Christine wasn't so well. Me, Clet and Carl, I don't know how much of this you've already been told. Went for a walk. 5 miles. We did. And then we went in the White Horse. Had a pint. That was about 10 to 1 by the time we got there. Then we went in the Swan. I don't know how it happened, but then we went in the King's Head. Is it King's Head or King's Arms here? I'll find out in a minute because I'm going up to the co-op. And we had a really good time in the King's Head, whatever, the pub. See, I always know that King's Arms is at Ludham. But anyway, so our plans were scuppered slightly because the Chinese were short. Christine went up for eating because she was really rough. She's a little bit better today, as I could tell by her giving me a bollocking before. I said I preferred you when you were ill. So we just had fish and chips, which were nice from the chippy. So the Chinese, it's like a chippy and there's a Chinese outside of it. And I think it's the same people. Yeah, so that was okay, that was nice. But we ended up in the King's Head. I'll tell you now, we're coming past it. Long day yesterday. The King's Head. Yeah. Now, the girl behind the bar was the same girl who was behind the bar when we was here 5 years ago with Griffin. So Griffin would be 11 at the time. And he was helping her doing the pumpkins, so I reminded her, and she said, oh, I remember that, yeah. Anyway, so we ended up in there. We had a right good laugh. I think I could retire down here because some of those guys in there were more pervy than me. Perving over at barmaids. Disgusting. So, in fact, someone was saying things that really was, well, very rude, shall I say. So yeah, and then a couple of lads came in who'd finished the shift at work, played pool, played the old rules, 7-balled them, and we played their rules just to make sure that they had no excuses, and we thrashed them at that. And then a woman come in, put her money on and beat me. She was a good player, could tell straight away how she held the cue and everything. So now what I'm doing now, I'm at the co-op. I'm just going to
we need to balance up the originals with the dark fruits. So the plan today, as Colette said, is we're going to Olive St Ives, St Mary's, as she said. We're going to call at the Bell Inn for a couple. Maybe have some lunch, I don't know. But I'm not too sure what the plans for the evening meal is. And then we're going to go back up to Reedham. Because we had a good night there on Saturday. At the Ship Inn and then Lord Nelson. Or if not, we'll just up to the ferry. So we'll go for a walk. So yeah, that's the plan. Hey, come on its own. Sorry, what did you say? Oh, leaving Loddon. A bit of a problem with the mud weight then. It was the chain had come on the other side of the guide, so that wouldn't have been fun. We couldn't fix that, but we did. Right, where's me? No, I don't like doing this, filming and steering. Come on then. Oh, another lovely day. Oh, kingfish, look at that one there. That's beautiful, that. I love that.
What that?
Kingfisher. Oh, we got that on camera. Well, we had a shower yesterday, but it just so happened it was the same time that when Colette was going checking on Christine. So me and Carl didn't feel it, we was playing pool. What's the food plans today, Colette? For evening meal?
Mixture for tea.
Mixture? What? Breakfast mixture?
Yeah.
For tea? You laugh. Christine, I'll ask you, you're more sensible.
Christine's out here. I just stung you on it.
What's the evening meal plan?
It is a mixture of bacon, onions, garlic with salad and mustard in bitters.
That's breakfast mixture.
No, it's tea mixture for the birds.
You just missed a kingfisher, by the way. Right, so we're having breakfast for our evening meal. Hello. Try and keep Carl out of the pub because he got very aggressive yesterday. It was a beery teary day yesterday. They say you say that tell the truth, don't you, when you've had a few beers. So I've realised that I can't stand my family. Yeah, so if you're following the Worryman's Way, well, make sure when you get to the old mast from Ather that you do a left, because you can't go any farther up. Where are we going today, Claire?
Olive St Mary's on St Anne's.
Olive St Mary's on St Anne's.
But then, where you were talking last night, I don't know.
Are you doing something with your hair?
Yeah, that far, didn't we?
We came over this bridge, didn't we? No, we didn't, did we?
No, we didn't.
No. No, it's closed farther back down there. Oh, did we? Yeah, we came over that bridge.
And that's the one that.
Oh, was she saying that also?
Yeah, it was a bit farther down, weren't it, when it's path closed sign. Bird cutting. Bird eyed there. I've not seen that before, I don't think. Morning. Again to this one. Yeah, lightning's just stopped there because another boat coming behind us as well.
I thought I could see something reflection in water.
What, but you couldn't see the boat itself?
No, do you mean you can see something in water? Alright. Right, now we're coming to end here. Gotta be.
Yeah, we're not far.
That's where the boat when we first come in, weren't it? You said you'll have to win to Reeds.
Yeah, we're not far off the end now. Can put the roads back up a bit now.
I've never seen it.
Is that what they're called? Followers?
Yeah,
Is that your crew?
How do you know it with you? Because it bought, obviously.
yeah.
I'd be buzzing without me. Oi, Dave, I'm a follower. Am I going right, Dave?
Correct.
Chop here.
Right. So, do you know when we was at Reedham on Saturday? And we went for a game of pool in the ship,
Yes.
and then we went to Lord Nelson with the Captain Hook.
Yes.
Once we go past that, you'll see like looks like a canal to your right. That's called a new cut. We're going to go straight down that.
A bit of wash behind us.
Yeah, it's not too bad that. I think we will be going with the tide, against the tide a little bit. What's my kettle doing?
As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, it could either been a very, very short walk up to the co-op and then carrying on with the videos, or a very, very long one. I don't want to get into doing epic ones in this series, obviously. It's called Bitesize for particularly that reason. So join us in the next video where we continue our journey down towards St Olaves, St Mary's, St Ives, St Joseph's, whatever she calls it next, I don't know. And then we go for a walk around the Priory and call in at the Bell Inn, and then we set off and we go up to Reedham. And yes, we've got plenty to come, and tomorrow, well, when I say tomorrow, that's tomorrow as in from this video, which will be the 27th of October, we go for a walk and up to Bitesize.